Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this beautiful large IDW26 smartwatch with a lot of functions, really good, solid build, lot of features, absolutely amazing. It has a lot of fitness and health tracking built in and a lot of extra functions, so super interesting. So I'm going to show you what you get in the box, how to set it up, and then I'm going to show you a lot of these very interesting features, so make sure that you stay tuned till the very end of this video. And so here we have the beautiful packaging, could also work as a nice gift. So let's open, see what we get. You can see the model type here. And so we get the instructions manual, the watch, the charging cable and the watch band. And very convenient here, the QR code, which we can scan. But of course you can also search directly for the VeryFit in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. And to prepare the watch, we take it out, remove the sticker, and then we add the watch band. The one with the buckle here goes on top, and so we align it down here, push this down, push it inside on top as well. Make sure that it's locking on both of the sides so it has a safe hold, and then same thing for the other side of the band. Also important to know it's a standard 22mm watch band, so also other watch bands can fit. And so to start we have to charge it here in the back, a strong magnet. So you can charge it from any USB-A power source. It turns on automatically, shows the charge. And now we have to connect the watch to the app. So we go to device, add the device either here or here. So we click on add the device. And of course it's a watch. And we have to give all the permission that it properly works. And so after giving the permission, we find the IDW26 already. Pairing is in progress. Okay, binding successful, was super easy. More pairing requests. Really most important thing that you give all the authorizations that it works perfectly. I've even connected the app now to Amazon Alexa. Also another very positive thing with the VeryFit app, it will guide you through pretty much everything, how to set the goals, how to get message notification, how to get call alerts, how to activate music control. So you don't have to be worried about complicated setup. It's pretty easy, straightforward, and in the notification you can set for which apps you can get notifications on your watch. And of course with a successful connection also time and date are synced from the smartphone, so don't have to set it up here on the watch. Also one of the most important things for a lot of people, the alarm clock. You can add multiple alarms here, even repeatable alarms. And a very special thing with the VeryFit, we can add a ton of alarms. With other smartwatches it's limited to 4 alarms. Here it's almost unlimited. And then you can activate the health tracking if you want. For the heart rate, stress monitoring, SpO2, drinking reminder, hand washing reminder, fitness activity, scientific sleep, and even some female stuff. And for many of these trackings we can even set alerts, like for the blood oxygen measurement, we can set alert levels. Really a lot of possibilities, even weather information. There's even a data sharing and authorization. So we can connect it to Strava and Google Fit, and we can also synchronize data to the VeryFit cloud, that's free. And there's also watch face market, so you can choose from a lot of free beautiful watch faces, really a lot here. Or you can buy premium watch faces, or you can even upload your own image as a watch face. But of course a couple of them are already installed. So you can just change them by long pressing, and then you can see what's already installed here. Really nice, beautiful, lot of information. Okay, and so I'm back here after wearing the watch for 1 day, and everything has been working absolutely awesome. There was nothing to complain, very easy to use. Especially what I like here is how easy we can swipe here this screen. Watch this thing, that's absolutely amazing how smooth this works. Definitely one of the best touch screens in this class. And so it has been also transmitting all the data here to the app, like steps, sleep, heart rate, calories, SpO2, and so on and so on, even stress monitoring. There's really a lot, and we can even dig down here. We can see the details, highest, lowest, day, week, months overview, and a lot of more details. and that's for pretty much everything. Also regarding notification has been working really reliable. Of course, I have to blur this a little bit, but the good thing is we get a lot of text, large messages, easy to read. We can delete single messages or we can delete all of them. Of course, there's no keyboard to reply to messages in this class. What I also like is the brightness, good visibility from all the side. I've been outside now pretty much at noon, and despite the super bright sunshine, I've been able to see the watch nice and clear. That's also very important. Of course, I've been playing around a lot, so it has drained the battery more than usual. So I would say with moderate usage, we can easily get 1 week. By the way, it was also very comfortable to wear, really nice watch band. I love how easy this works. We can even store the end of the band here on the other side. And then we have a lot of functions here on the right side. We see the whole activity, and that's not just a demo picture, that's real data. For everything, you can see all the details. And on the right side, one of the highlights, the Alexa. We can even access this special menu here where we see the alarms, the reminders, and the timers. But of course, we can also talk to Alexa, ask some things. Hey Alexa, how many ounces are 1 liter?
1 liter is about 34 fluid ounces.
Okay, that's awesome. Could be helpful for cooking or if you need some quick access to some basic information. And on the right side, we have the weather. When we click on it, we can even get more forecast. And on the right side, we can start the sports tracking. We have even this special thing here on top where we can set a duration, calories goal, distance goal, can even have a smart competitor, open goal. Yeah, really amazing. We have a lot of sports possibilities which you can use. I think there are even much more in the app which you can add. And we have even 2 swimming modes. And in the swimming modes, the display is locked. That's also something which is absolutely awesome. Not a lot of smartwatches have this function. So when we start this, we can choose how far we want to go. And then the screen is fully locked. That's very important because with a lot of smartwatches, the contact with water will then irritate the smartwatch. Could even end the recording, do some crazy stuff. That's not going to happen here. You can see the lock icon. What's also good during the sport, we can still see the current time. Of course, we cannot go back to the main screen. Also something which not all smartwatches have. And then with a long press, we can stop the recording. And it's even draining the water. We can shake it out here from the speaker on the side. And on the right side, we have the sleep recording. Can click on it, get more details. Next tile is everything about the blood, so we can record this here. Of course, I'm not wearing it, so I don't get any details. We have the music controls. You can control the player which you have, for example, on your smartphone. Then wear your Bluetooth earbuds, and so you don't have to take out your phone to go to another track, change the volume. And of course, we have much more functions when we just push this button here. A couple of things which we have already seen, but also much more. For example, the phone, we have the call history, frequent contacts, or we can use the dial pad itself. So I'm calling here a test number which I have. We can also change the volume to maximum, for example.
The Google subscriber you have called is not available. Please leave a message after the tone.
Microphone test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's stop this call and listen to what the microphone has been recording. Microphone test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've also been listening and I would say it's a very nice and clear microphone recording. By the way, that was even after using it underwater. And so we have also the workout records directly here on the watch if you have them. And much more. You can see in the clock, we have the alarm, we have the stopwatch, we have the timer. Really nice that we can add or manipulate all the alarms directly here, or we can also do that, of course, on the smartphone. And I've been using it this morning and it has been waking me up easily with strong vibration, even though I had it only on the medium strength. So I would say that should even work if you're a deep sleeper. We have also a snooze function. We have stopwatch and timer, a lot of presets, but we can also do our own timer up to 24 hours. What I like here is when we start it, we can go back to the main screen, do other stuff, and it will continue to work in the background. So it has some kind of multitasking. And so here we are, after the 1 minute is over, we can stop it or we can start it again. Also a very, very important function. If you're using timers a lot, this can help a lot, especially for grilling or so. I use this every time I do grilling. Cycle tracking, music, camera control, find phone, and a lot of settings. On top here we have the status menu with a lot of functions. We even have flashlight. We have also the access to the settings. In the display we can increase, decrease the brightness, adjust the screen on time between 20 seconds and 5 seconds, activate the wrist gesture, sound and vibration. We have a silent mode, or we can adjust the ringer volume, even adjust the vibration intensity. That's also something which I really like. We have the do not disturb. We even have a scheduled do not disturb, so you can activate that for the night automatically. So you don't have to do anything when you go to bed or wake up in the morning. Yeah, absolutely amazing what we have here, how good everything works. Very, very reliable, I would say. Large, beautiful, bright, very responsive screen. So pretty cool device, like most of the smartwatches with the Very Fit app. Most of them are working really good, reliable. We have pretty much all the functions which we need. We can see also the light here, very amazing. That's a special thing here, the orange light. Watch this thing here, absolutely amazing. I love the orange with most of the smartwatches we have. Blue or green or so. The orange looks pretty nice. So I would say it's a great workhorse. If you need something really good, reliable, then this could be the thing. If you need something super, super fancy, then maybe not. I mean, of course, we don't have this island information. We don't have a task manager. We don't have the always on display. We don't have wireless charge. We don't have NFC. We can't answer messages, but at least we have very reliable Alexa. We can make phone calls nice and clear. So again, if you need something very reliable with a lot of functions, also no need to charge it every day, and you're also okay with the limited notifications, even though the Very Fit app is a really good, solid app, but the notification limitation is one of the biggest drawbacks here, because we can only get notifications for these apps and no other apps. If you have 300 apps like me on the smartphone, you can't get notifications for the other 290 apps. Maybe something to think about. But on the other hand, we have a really reliable watch, very comfortable watch. I would say definitely one of the better smartwatches overall, regarding the overall package. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.